All right, so good afternoon, everyone from Moldex 3D in Michigan. Thank you all for joining today's webinar. In today's webinar, we will be discussing a little bit about integrated numerical simulation for SMC compression molding. A quick outline of what we will be discussing today. We are going to do a quick introduction of fiber reinforced plastics in Moldex 3D. We're going to discuss Moldex 3D compression molding, Moldex 3D coupling with LS-DYNA, Moldex 3D coupling with Digimat RP for nonlinear analysis. This is for your FEA, and a brief summary of the webinar. Moldex 3D has the capability to simulate discontinuous fiber reinforced plastics for thermoplastic injection and compression molding of thermosets with fiber. We also have the capability to simulate vacuum resin transfer molding and pre-preg overmolds for continuous fiber reinforced plastics. There are various types of discontinuous fiber reinforced plastic material types for thermoplastics. We have our long fiber granules, glass mat thermoplastics, our direct long fiber thermoplastics. For our thermoset materials, we have our SMC sheet molding compounds and our BMC bulk molding compounds. This image on the bottom left here, you can see some chopped fiber bulk molding compound. The plastic industry started with non-filled plastics and have increased fiber types in the manufacturing of plastic components throughout the years. The use of different fiber can help achieve part dimension stability, mechanical properties, and reduce the weight of your parts.